Orange Sky is the world's first free mobile shower and laundry service designed to help those who need it most. Access to water for showers and laundry provides benefits physically and emotionally.
Orange Sky actually was started in the end of 2014 by two young guys who were 20 years old at the time, Nick Marchesi and Lucas Patchett. What they wanted to do was to basically improve the lives of others by starting a mobile laundry service that was available for free to people that were doing it tough in and around Brisbane. What Orange Sky is all about is connecting communities, and I think the power of water and the power of the service that we're offering is to do just that. I think if you look at ancient civilizations that developed around watercourses and rivers, this is not so dissimilar in a weird kind of way, because Orange Sky vans are like a magnet for people. I reckon for about every person who we do washing for, we'd have another 5 that just come to our service just to talk about anything. Orange Sky has aimed to restore respect and dignity to the many people who are doing it tough in and around urban and regional communities throughout Australia.
Water Corporation and co-supporter Lottery West are proud to bring WA's first hybrid shower and laundry van to the heart of our community.